Right, we got 3 questions. Let me cover these real quick, guys. Let's see. Michael asks, my opinion is real estate is not evergreen enough, as real estate laws vary from country to country unless you're sub-niche down to a channel about real estate in a particular country, just too much sense. Yeah, Michael, oh no, sorry, another one of my clients is into real estate, so I thought he would probably know, but that's a good thought you have there, Michael, that it might be hard because it's different in each and every country. But then again, you can still do like a pretty general top 10 channel about real estate, tips and tricks, things to avoid, how to get into it, for example, right? Why you said, I'm interested in history, like, oh, who unmuted himself there? Andreas, you wanted to say something?
I did.
Oh, go on. Go ahead, bro.
Yeah, so I said the same to I said to Michael, so it will be only storytelling, so no actual news related topics. So like the rise of the real estate market in Dubai, in Spain, the crisis of the China real estate, etc. Like maybe, for example, some real estate portfolio of some of celebs, you know. So when I searched real estate on YouTube, you get some channels, but they're like, for example, you have real estate disruptors and real estate ninja with like this real estate ninja has 19,000 subs, and you have Chris Crone, that's also a big one with 1 million subs, but they're all very technical and on the analysis. But when they do post a video about, you know, like not so technical. So for example, this wait, let me check. This real estate ninja, he has all his videos where he does more storytelling. For example, the Blackstone plans for the real estate housing market is his most popular watched video. Yeah, that's not a good example, but I got some when I searched it up a few days ago. I got some. Oh yeah, it was this one. Sorry for my long speaking, but we got to Luxury Zone. Luxury Zone is a famous channel, and when you go to the popular videos, there are a lot of real estate videos in it with houses and like crazy buildings, and so people are, I think they're interested in it. But when you search on real estate on YouTube, they're all very technical, and you have some of the mega project accounts, they're doing buildings, but yeah, they're only mega projects.
Right. Yeah.
And they focus on the building itself.
Yeah. So, bro, what I would do if you want to look into real estate, if you are in the course in the first or second module, there is a file called the channel strategy file. And this basically lets you research into your niche. So if you want to look into real estate, I would first of all make a list of all these channels that you can find in the real estate niche, just like I just showed with this niche research sheet, basically. And then write down what kind of videos they are making, what is working, and how they are making it. And what style, like what format is their videos, like these super technical tips, or just general top 10 tips, things to avoid, or how to finance a home. Like, what are they doing? What is working? And can you replicate that for a YouTube automation channel for yourself?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's not.
That's how I would go about it. And then see, like, I always think it's important to at least find a couple of YouTube automation channels that are doing what you want to do too, because you just don't want to have the risk of, like, you can get lucky and find a golden nugget that no one is doing yet, but usually it's a bad indication for at least 1 or 2 other channels to be doing what you are doing, because
I was thinking the same thing, but I still didn't found it. I thought the same thing, but I still didn't found it. And well, it's now like been almost a week ago since I got this.
Yeah. So you either have something really good in your hands, or it's something that's just really hard to do for a YouTube automation channel. That can be the case too.
Yeah, because when you have a situation like this, so you think you have a pretty good niche, but there's no competition on it. So what are the most possible outcomes? Why could it be the red flag?
Yeah, there can be multiple reasons. So like I just said, either you maybe find something that is just, yeah, like you're the first one in that market that wants to do it, and maybe that's going to be your breakthrough. But if there's not a single competitor, usually I sort of see it as a red flag, because real estate is a pretty like big topic, like famous topic, you would say, right? Like something that people would look into. So if there's no one doing that in the market yet, there's probably a reason why, I would say.
Yeah. Okay.
And then one last thing I would also tell you, bro, that's why I kind of like showed you this niche research file I was just doing, and why I want everyone to fill it in. What happens often on YouTube is if you are looking for a niche and you, for example, now get into real estate and you click 10 different real estate videos or channels, YouTube is going to feed more real estate stuff to you. And because of this, you can get tunnel vision into a single niche. And then you basically, all you see is real estate videos, right? And then it's hard to do niche research for other topics or channels because you only see real estate stuff.
Yeah, but I use multiple browsers, and you know, when you do the research on YouTube, I always go incognito. So
all right. Yeah.